Here we have a 1980 Yamaha Rd250F, last of the production line and restored to concours condition. Every single nut and bolt has been replaced by a fastidious restorer. It is probably nicer than when it left the factory, to be honest. He even put the original supplier dealer's deco on the back. I would actually say it's probably the best Rd250 in the world. You just cannot fault it. It's absolutely to die for. The finish is just incredible. The engine has been fully rebuilt by a specialist. The compression is just incredible. The wheels have all been professionally machine polished, painted. One key fits all. Ignition, fuel cap, and the seat release key. As you can see, all in beautiful condition. I'll fire it up for you to let you hear it. This is a very desirable Civi headlight upgrade.